Hi there, my name is Vanita Bajaj and I have completed my Level 7 Diploma in Community Healthcare and Services from NZSE. As an international student, it's really difficult for you to choose the college because there are so many tertiary providers out there. I came over here and I was super confused which college to choose, and then I browsed through some of the colleges and I ended up choosing NZSE. And the main reason was it provides practical knowledge and hands-on training, and also when I came to visit the campus, the staff was super nice and I was like, I want to study in the college where I can feel like home. So a typical day at NZSE is super busy but really productive. Our day usually starts with Karakia, and after that we would have our daily sessions. Followed by that, we would have interactive sessions within the students where we discuss about the assignments or different topics. And we usually have a long break so that we can relax. And after the breaks, we usually have practical sessions where we can learn how to use different equipment, which we might be using later on in our healthcare settings. At NZSE, environment is really vibrant. Students are really motivated and focused in achieving whatever they want. They are so goal-oriented, but there is room for fun and leisure activities. And I really enjoyed the cultural collaborations because NZSE try to celebrate each and every festival from the different cultures. So I made really good connection with students and staff members, and some of them are like lifetime friends now, because I would say staff at NZSE is super nice, and if you ever feel like you are feeling lonely or you're missing home, you can just go to the staff members and they're always ready to help you. So during my course, there were two tutors, Mr. Yagapant and Mr. Kamal Kishore. They are super knowledgeable and they're super friendly as well. So when I was preparing for job interviews, I was really confused because I didn't know about New Zealand culture and how things work out here. And I would say my tutors really helped me to prepare me for the job interviews. And also I didn't have any reference in New Zealand. So my tutor was there for me to give reference for me, and that is something I'm really thankful for them still now. So NZSE helped me to get a job. So the first thing, they provide practical knowledge, which I am using right now in my job. They have also taught me how to be a professional, and they have taught us how to be a good communicator. NZSE also provide first aid training, which is really essential if you want to work in a healthcare sector. And also I would say NZSE conduct so many workshops where they teach you how to prepare a perfect CV and a cover letter to get a job. So I'm currently working as community support worker at Spectrum Cares. So usually in my sector, I help people with intellectual disabilities to gain more independence, to make them more perfect in whatever things they want to do in their life. So out of the people I support, some of them are autistic, some of them are ADHD, some of them have personality disorders. Here are 3 reasons why someone should choose their career as a healthcare worker. The first reason which I found is that healthcare career is really rewarding. So you're going out, you're helping someone, and you're making their life more easy, and you come back home and you're super satisfied. So the second reason is there are lots of employment opportunities after this course, and healthcare workers are really in demand. And the third reason is it is constantly evolving, and you are always learning something and you are upgrading your knowledge.